Hello everyone, I'm back with another fun, colorful video. Lately, I've been designing handmade paper earrings for my shop. Every pattern and image started transforming into earrings in my mind. After years, I found these special coffee cards from Starbucks Reserve that I had collected, and I decided to turn them into upcycled earrings to inspire you as well. Let's get started. First, I start by choosing the front side of the earring. There are so many cute patterns. I'm going for this design with dominant brush strokes in navy and yellow. The cards seem a bit too large and thick for my taste. I'm scaling them down, marking with a pencil before cutting. You can adjust the size according to your materials at hand. These 160-gram colored cardboards are leftovers from the earrings I designed for my shop. I had saved them for making more minimal earrings. If you want to check out the handmade paper earrings I sell, I'll add the link to my shop in the description. There are really cute colors, but I'm opting for the yellow cardboard, which is currently my favorite. Since I'm using leftover cardboard pieces, I need to scale down the earring sizes a bit more. I'm cutting them to 2 centimeters in width and 5 centimeters in height. Now, I'm selecting a different card for the other side of the earring. I want it to match the yellow cardboard but also have a different design from the other side so that one earring can be worn in 2 different ways. Therefore, I choose this design with stripes. I cut them to the same size as the other design. I'm also cutting the yellow cardstock to match the size of the pattern cards. I recommend holding your colored cardstock next to your pattern to try it out. Because sometimes, choosing a contrasting color that opposes your pattern, instead of a matching color, can give your earring a cooler look. At this stage, I'm shaping the 2 edges of the cards and cardboards with my favorite corner punch. I think this will create a trendy earring that matches the abstract design on both cards. I used the 10mm side of the punch. This punch also has 7 and 4mm sides. I suggest you try those too, as you can make really cute shaped earrings. After the edge cutting, it's time for gluing. I'm using Mona Lisa glue, which becomes transparent after drying. This water-based glue is easy to apply. I prefer using a brush for a more controlled application. The first layer might be a bit challenging to apply because the paper starts to bend after gluing, making it difficult to stick the edges neatly. I press down the edges with my fingers for a while after gluing. I clean the edges with my hand if any glue spills over. After the cardboards, I glue the front and back sides of the earring. You can trim any excess parts you notice at this stage. I leave the earrings to dry between thick books. The weight of the books ensures that the earrings dry evenly and flat. Regardless of the paper's weight, it tends to curl and warp until it's completely dry. After 3 to 4 hours, I take out the earrings. They seem dry enough. And both sides look very cute. I can't wait to wear them. But first, we need to punch holes for the earring hooks. I use a tool commonly used for belt punching for this task. I'm using the 2.5mm tip. I've tried needles, drills, and small punches before, but I got the best results with this tool. I had made myself a punching template to ensure even holes on each pair, which I recommend as it makes your work much easier. Look how perfect the holes are. Now it's time to protect and shine our earrings with varnish. I'm using Cadence brand's glossy varnish. It's easy to apply and dries quite quickly. I first varnish the whole areas with a thin brush. Then, I continue with the edges using the thin brush again. It's useful to clean any excess that spills onto the front and back while varnishing the edges because those spills can dry up and form an extra layer before you apply it to the front and back. Finally, I apply varnish to the front and back surfaces with a medium-thick brush. I hang the earrings on a toothpick to dry without touching anything. After the varnishing process, both sides are nicely shiny. Now we've reached the final step, attaching the earring hooks. For hygiene and durability, I prefer using stainless steel hooks for the products in my own shop. But you can choose any earring hook you like. I'm using small, detachable ring hooks suitable for the size of these earrings, so I can easily switch and wear the other side whenever I want. In this video, I showed you how to make double-sided upcycled earrings from Starbucks Reserve coffee cards. I had a lot of fun making them, and I hope you enjoyed watching and got inspired. Maybe you'll make some cute earrings yourself or come up with brand new ideas. Don't forget to like, save, and subscribe to my channel to join us. Thanks for watching. See you next time.